Hi guys, welcome back to my bobber build. What a day, what a day. So I've been working on the fenders, the gas tank. There. That's getting pretty good. I get an idea from YouTube to use vinegar. So the front fender, and here's the gas tank. I repainted it and sent it down again, and I guess that should do. And the gas tank metal was really hard to get rusted, so the vinegar did its work. It's looking good, so I'll just sand it lightly and then paint it clear coat, and then it's done. So there's the finished product. Well, the rusted, the rusted look, that's it. I have sprayed clear coat in the fenders. Yeah, it's dark right now. But the gas tank, it's kind of complicated because I've got some other idea about it while I am, yeah, the rust is kind of good. I'm gonna do something different with the gas tank. Yeah, it might be a video later, but the rest, oh yeah, look at those. That's the regulator rectifier. It looks awesome, and it will look awesome when it's fitted in the pipe. And here goes my ignition key switch. This is for the wiring, have to press the lock right here. If you want a video about the installation about this, you can comment, and nobody watches my video. My friends can call me what I did. Ow, yeah, okay. So, hey, okay, hold on, I need a light. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, yeah. So, it's the wrong end. Okay, anyways, so that's ignition switch which I installed. And you might be confused. Sorry, you might be confused what it is. Yeah, that's it. It's just the wiring. The coupler, it will go in the wiring, which I will make a video later. It's not time for the wiring. So okay, yeah, this side. What's that? Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is for, okay, just a bit, the weight. Okay, that's for the battery. The battery will go in there. I made a compartment for that, and this, wiring. Yeah, this is the regulator rectifier. Yeah, the video might be shaky. So right now I guess that's all for right now. Yeah, there's a couple. Okay, so see you next time. And I guess tank, it's got some work to do. It's gonna be a big surprise. So thanks anybody who's watching my videos. Maybe. Okay, bye.